Still on supervised learning. Under supervised learning, we have different types of algorithms, different types of models. But the one I'm going to be working on, the one I'm going to be explaining now, is the linear model. Now, this is where the importance of understanding your data comes into play. I've always emphasized in my videos that one of the best ways of becoming a data analyst, a good researcher, is understanding data types, knowing the types of data according to nature, according to source, and different components like that. You must understand your data. Now, under the linear models, we have two types of models. We have the linear regression and we have the logistic regression. When do you use a logistic regression? There's a type of data we call categorical data. Categorical data are data that they are nominal in nature. They can be categorized, they can be classified. A good example, spam, non-spam, good, bad, defective, non-defective, poor, rich, educated, uneducated. These are types of classified data, categorical data. They can be categorized into different types. So whenever you have this data in place, when the outcome of your research, outcome of your study is to determine if a particular message is a spam message or not a spam message, then you think of a logistic regression. But when you have continuous data, continuous variables, when you want to find out the prices of a particular product, the price of a particular land, the cost of a particular production, the size of a particular shoe, different data that are continuous in nature. And when I mean continuous, we have floats and we have integers. When you have such data, then you can think of linear models. And when you talk of linear models, you begin to think of the least squares method. You begin to think of the error correction models, the distributed lags, the vector autoregressive models, the impulse response function. These are models you use in predicting a model. These are models you use for predictive analysis. So please understand your data type and understand this classification I've just made. We have the linear models and we have the linear regression and we have the logistic regression. These are the two types of models we have under linear model on a supervised learning. We have other types. We have the support vector machines, we have the decision trees, we have the clustered models. Those are other models and algorithms we use under machine learning for under supervised learning. But for a linear model, we have the linear regression and the logistic regression. If you have further questions, then you can type it on my DM.